Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of the Instacart app. Maybe you're shopping on someone else's phone. Maybe you're logged on to someone else's phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to sign out of the Instacart app, first log in, then click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner, then click on settings on the top hand side, then scroll down and click on log out. After you log out, that should sign you out of the Instacart app, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.